Cryptography Explained. Cryptography is the method of disguising and revealing information through complex mathematics. Any piece of information can be encrypted, making it impossible to read except for by the intended recipient. The encryption is done by an algorithm called a cipher, which is also needed to decrypt it afterwards. A lot of people actually use encryption on a daily basis, mostly without realizing it. For example, many messaging apps, mobile phone SIM cards, pen drives, and credit or debit cards use encryption. Anyone can create a simple cryptographic system. For example, GWKKI is an encrypted hello. The encryption formula being to use the next key to the left on a standard QWERTY keyboard. Cryptography works on the same basis, but on a far more complex level. The main methods to encrypt and decrypt information are called symmetric key cryptography and asymmetric key cryptography, sometimes called public key cryptography. In symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used, both to encrypt and decrypt the message. This would be the system used in our previous example, as the same cipher is used to disguise and reveal the word hello. Public key cryptography is an improvement on standard symmetric key cryptography. Rather than using a single key for encryption and decryption, the public key cryptography uses separate keys, a public key to encrypt and a private key to decrypt. A user can safely share their public key with anyone, but should never let anyone see their private key, regardless of how much they trust them. Blockchain technology utilizes cryptography to protect the identities of users, secure blocks, ensure transactions are done safely, and secure all information and storages of value.